Crying. A human-only trait? We often hear that humans are the only animals that cry. But is this really true? Let's dive into the facts. Elephants shed tears. Often during emotional states, dogs produce tears, but mainly for eye lubrication. Crocodiles cry while eating, due to glands compressing, not emotions. The truth is, animals do produce tears. Many animals have tear ducts, but emotional crying is likely human-specific. Did you know? Gorillas can fake cry for attention. Surprised? Share this video. Follow for more myth-busting facts.